Welcome to this training overview on the operational sequence for mobilizing and rigging up a land drilling rig. Before drilling operations can begin, a land drilling rig must be safely transported, assembled, and tested at the well location. In this video, we will walk through the key stages involved in mobilizing the rig, assembling major components, and preparing the system for safe drilling operations. The process begins with mobilization. Rig components, support equipment, and personnel are transported from the base yard to the well location using heavy-duty trucks and trailers. Each load is carefully planned and coordinated to ensure safe transportation and efficient setup at the site. Upon arrival at the well site, equipment is positioned according to the rig layout plan. The substructure is placed directly over the well center, forming the foundation that will support the rig floor and drilling equipment. Next, the rig-up phase begins. The substructure and rig floor are assembled first, followed by raising the mast or derrick using cranes or hydraulic lifting systems. Once upright, the drilling line is installed and the traveling block, hook, and top drive or rotary system are connected. At the same time, support equipment such as mud pumps, mud tanks, shale shakers, generators, and pipe handling systems are installed. After the structural assembly is complete, mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic systems are connected. Control systems are tested, and critical safety equipment such as blowout preventers, fire protection systems, and emergency shutdown controls are inspected to ensure operational integrity. Before drilling begins, the entire rig undergoes a final inspection. Equipment functionality, safety systems, and operational procedures are verified to confirm that the rig is fully prepared for safe drilling operations. Mobilizing and rigging up a land drilling rig requires careful planning, skilled personnel, and strict safety compliance. When these steps are performed correctly, they ensure a safe and efficient start to drilling operations.